Hi.
Rai, be nice.
Hi, Rai. Hi, Rai. Hey, bud. Hi, Rai Rai.
This door open. Whoa. It's Obama.
Hi, bud.
Obama!
Wait, what?
Saw Obama's picture on a key card.
Hi, Rai. Hi, Rai Rai.
Is that Amanda? Is she in there? Who is that? There's something in there. I can't tell what that is.
Oh, you fluffing,
Light bulb.
fluffing idiot.
Yes, you.
He's got sunglasses.
Those glasses. What if I put the glasses on? What if I put them on the clown?
Rai Rai. Rai Rai, hi. Hi, bud. Hi.
Okay, can I bring the tape over here? Aha.
Hi.
Signal restored. Mom. Dad.
Rai Rai. Rai Rai. Rai Rai. Rai Rai.
David Asa.
Rai Rai. Rai Rai. Rai. Hi, Rai Rai.
That's you.
Here. Hi, Psycho. Hi, Psychopath. Rai Rai. Rai Rai. Rai Rai. You should see if the boys have phasmophobia gameplay.
They had a long time ago.
Oh, it's because it's raining a lot. That's why. No, that's why. It's just raining a lot.
Rai Rai.
Welcome back for the first time to the Light Keeper.
Oh yeah.
Just played a psychological horror game, and
We're gonna watch Trip of Terror.
Hey. No bite. No bite.
Hi.
5 hours ago? What?
Yeah. Don't watch the Trip of Terror. Episode 1. I started watching it. I didn't finish it.
I don't want to see the new Sam and Colby.
Yeah, I haven't finished that either.
Hi, Rai Rai.
Watch the Goat Man finish?
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.